Hi everyone, Mike here from Bikes by Mike with another cycling related video. Today is Bike Tech Day. I'll review one of the top noise cancelling earbuds on the market today, the Bose QuietComfort Ultras. I've put them to good use for both indoor and outdoor cycling, and the results are not what I expected. I'll tell you what features I liked and where they fell short. Okay, let's get to it. In today's video, I'll start off with advice on how to choose the right pair of earbuds for cycling. Next, I'll unbox the Bose QuietComfort Ultras and review the build specs. I'll provide a quick demo of the companion smartphone app and highlight its main features. I'll tell you how these earbuds performed in my indoor and outdoor testing, and I'll wrap things up with my rating and final thoughts. First off, this is a completely independent and unbiased product review. I'm not sponsored by Bose, I didn't receive any money or freebies for this review, and I haven't been in contact with them. I purchased these earbuds with my own money, so if I don't like them, I'll gladly tell you so. Before you consider buying any earbuds, the most important thing you need to do is decide on what type of earbuds will work best for your intended use. For us cyclists, that means earbuds that'll perform well on the bike. None of the reviews I've read explained how to go about choosing the best earbuds for cycling. So I'm going to tell you what I wish I knew before I went shopping. Let me explain. There are two basic types of earbuds, open ear and in-ear. As the name suggests, open ear earbuds don't seal the ear canal, so you can still hear what's going on around you without the need to amplify the surrounding environment. There are many makes and models available, but except for minor differences in design, they all work pretty much the same way. The speaker sits partially but not entirely over the ear. This is necessary to be able to hear the natural sounds around you in their natural way. Open ear earbuds are commonly used for outdoor activities like cycling. I've just bought a pair of the Oladance OWS Pro earbuds, which have been getting good reviews. Beyond their pretty streamlined design for this style of earbud, I picked them up for a couple other reasons. They sit nicely over the ears and shouldn't interfere with helmet straps. And they also come with an IPX4 waterproof rating, which is important to protect the earbuds from sweat and rain. I'll review these in a future episode. The second type of earbuds are the in-ear variety, with the Bose QuietComfort Ultras being one of several available. These are all designed with rubber or silicone ear tips that seal the entrance to the ear canal, blocking out outside sounds. The benefit with this style of earbud is that the quality of the sound from the earbuds is generally better than what you find with open ear varieties, because you have much less interference from outside noise. These qualities make them a good choice for those wanting to tune out the outside world, like when training indoors, for example. But they are not an ideal choice for most outdoor activities like cycling. Why didn't someone just tell me that? Many of the high-end in-ear earbuds come with what is often called transparency mode. With Bose, it's their awake mode. Essentially, it's the opposite of ANC. ANC, or active noise cancellation technology, filters out the sounds from the outside world so that all you hear is what's coming through the earbuds. When you switch over to transparency mode, it allows the outside sounds to pass through the earbuds as if you were not wearing them at all. While on paper this sounds like it's giving you the best of both worlds, the reality is that the pass-through feature just doesn't work as well as open-ear earbuds. Maybe it's good enough for casual outdoor activities like walking and hiking, but I'd highly discourage using them for outdoor cycling where you need to be 100% aware of your surroundings. Others obviously don't feel the same way as I do about the safety issue, as I see them promoted for cycling and running all over the internet. In my opinion, running and cycling are way too aggressive outdoor activities to be restricting what you hear or how loudly you hear it. Now that you know the pros and cons with in-ear earbuds, it's time for my review. The Bose QuietComfort Ultras come with everything you need. In addition to the left and right side earbuds, you get a charging case, a USB-C 12-inch charging cable, and the Bose Fit Kit. The kit includes 3 sizes of ear tips and stability bands that will allow you to dial in the perfect fit. 1 set installed on the earbuds and 2 spare sets in the paper sleeve. Here are the important specs you need to know. They have active noise cancellation as well as their transparent aware mode. Battery life is 6 hours continuous and 30 hours total. Charging time is 2 hours by way of a USB-C cable only, so wireless charging is not supported. Wireless connectivity is Bluetooth 5.3 with a range of 30 feet, And finally, they have an IPX4 water resistant rating, which is common for sports focused earbuds. The Bose app is available for both Android and iOS smartphones. Opening up the app, I'll review some of the features available to you. When you first put the earbuds on, a voice prompt will announce the amount of battery life remaining for each earbud. But the battery level also shows up on the main menu screen. The volume level can be adjusted within the app by sliding the volume bar left or right, but can also be adjusted by swiping the earbud touchpad itself. Within the modes submenu, you have 3 standard options for quiet, aware, and immersion, as well as any custom noise cancelling modes you can create yourself. I've created one called Outdoor. Quiet mode applies active noise cancellation technology which blocks out the surrounding environment. Aware turns off noise cancellation so that you can clearly hear your surroundings, with an active sense mode that will mute very loud outdoor noise. The last of the standard modes is immersion, which is essentially quiet mode with advanced surround type processing. Personally, I always choose immersion over quiet as I find the sound quality is just a bit better. You get a wider sound stage and really do feel more immersed in the music. I've created one custom mode called Outdoor, but you can create as many as you like. Using the sliding bar, you can set how little or how much noise cancellation you want applied. At the bottom, you can customize your immersion setting. You can turn immersion audio off. You can set it to still, where it sounds like the speakers are fixed physically in front of you. Or you can set it to motion, where the audio follows your head movements so that wherever you're looking, it always sounds like the speakers are directly in front of your face. This is the setting I usually use. Source is where you can control what devices your earbuds are connected to. The Bose earbuds do not support multi-point connections, but you can set up individual connections and simply toggle between them one at a time. I have 2 set up, one connection to my phone and another one to my Fire TV. There is a 3-band equalizer that allows you to choose 1 to 4 presets, or you can create your own custom setting. The immersive audio submenu is where you can configure your settings when using the immersion mode. So how do the Bose QuietComfort Ultra Earbuds perform? Let's start with overall fit and comfort. This is the main reason I went with the Bose earbuds, because I've been using the Bose Sound Sport wired headphones for the last several years, and I love the fit. They don't fall out and are comfortable enough to use all day. I'm pleased to say that the fit on the QuietComfort earbuds are just as good. Plus, you have the benefit of swapping out to a smaller or larger ear tip or stability band to dial in the perfect fit for your ear. I've never had them fall out even on long and sweaty indoor training rides, and they stay in place when giving them a tap, swipe, or long press to activate different functions. The overall sound quality of the earbuds is very good, especially with noise cancellation activated. I agree with some criticism expressed by some testers that the earbuds are a bit heavy on the bass. The good thing is that you can tone down the bass level, which is exactly what I did. I'd say that clarity among the mid and high frequencies is good, but not fantastic. Quite possibly the most impressive feature of these earbuds is active noise cancellation. Incredibly good at blocking out sounds we want to block out when spinning indoors, that being the fan and the bike's drivetrain in particular. With my fan on the highest setting, it is super loud. With noise cancellation enabled, I can't hear the fan at all. Like nothing. This is really impressive. These are definitely best-in-class earbuds when it comes to ANC. When it comes to how I rate these earbuds for transparency, or what Bose calls their awake mode, it all depends on what I'm using them for. For indoor cycling, the transparency feature works perfectly fine, allowing me to hear what's going on around me without compromising the quality of the sound coming out of the earbuds. But if you're thinking of using these outdoors on a bike, you'll be mightily disappointed. And it becomes obvious very quickly that these in-ear style earbuds are not designed to be used on bikes. The way transparency mode works, as I understand it, is that it uses an outward-facing microphone to pick up noises from your surroundings and uses AI tech to manipulate them in real time. And while this works perfectly in some situations, like indoors on a spin bike, it simply can't handle the complexity of all the sounds coming at you from outside. First, the external microphone picks up way too much wind noise. Admittedly, I tested them out on a very windy day with gusts as high as 40 kilometers per hour. And while wind noise was not that much worse as compared to not wearing them at all, I found the noise more irritating with the earbuds on due to the way the microphone amplifies and distorts the sound of the wind. If you've ever used a microphone outside, you know the sound. It kind of sounds like this, or something like this. The second major fault of the technology is that it both manipulates and deadens outside sounds. When I'm riding, I want to hear my surroundings in their natural state, and I don't want any of those sounds muted. That's the only way I can ride safely listening to music. I could not hear cars approaching me as well as I could with nothing in my ears. That sounded ridiculously obvious. The first time this happened, I looked down at my front chainring thinking something went wrong, but then I realized what was going on. So every 10 seconds or so, I go from hearing my drivetrain to not hearing it at all. This was distracting, irritating, and simply not safe. Battery life is on par with what you'd expect for a premium set of noise-canceling earbuds. You get 6 hours of continuous use in quiet mode and 4 hours in immersive mode. That's enough for most rides. But the charging case will allow you to recharge your earbuds 4 more times, so you get up to 30 hours of interrupted earbud use before having to charge the case and earbuds using a USB-C cable. I'm quite happy with the features offered as well as the companion app. I can't think of any additional features I'd want or need. There's enough customization available for me to tweak the settings to my personal preference, but they haven't gone overboard in providing features that nobody wants or will use. There's a lot to like on how these earbuds have been designed and the amount of tech put into them. The touchpad on the earbuds works well for tap and long press controls, but I did find it very difficult to swipe up and down to control the volume. I almost always inadvertently pause my music when trying to adjust the volume. Maybe I just need a bit more practice. By the way, these are the touchpad control settings. All of them are fixed with the exception being the long tap where you can customize it within the app by selecting one of the 3 prompts. So to summarize, this is how I rate the Bose QuietComfort Ultra Earbuds. What I liked was the comfort and fit, sound quality, especially when using the immersive setting, active noise cancellation, battery life, and the earbud features including the companion app. And while the transparency setting works fine for indoor use, it works poorly for outdoor cycling. Overall, I give them a score of 8.5 out of 10. As good as the Bose QuietComfort Ultra Earbuds are, and they are great for indoor cycling, they are not a good solution for riding outdoors. For that, you're going to need to invest in the second pair of open-ear earbuds. That's what I did, and I'll be reviewing the Oladance OWS Pro earbuds in a future episode. If you think I'm wrong and know of earbuds that work equally well in noise-canceling mode as they do in transparency mode, let me know in the comments section below. That's all I got for today, folks. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you're not a subscriber to this channel, please subscribe as it allows me to produce more content for all of you. See you next time. Happy rolling.